the key highlights for you in the conference?
I think for me it's really the atmosphere itself. The value of a conference is really who you meet and what ideas can you exchange, and it's easy to meet the right people. And there are actually matchmakers running around that make sure that, hey, did you talk to this person? You're being introduced to people. Whereas with most conferences, you really need to find the key ones you want to talk to, find a way to meet them. It's quite a lot of hard work. Here it's easy. It's very relaxed. You have good conversations. It mingles easily. So the atmosphere for me is actually the key highlight. It's a good atmosphere here.
What do you find most interesting in the event?
Yeah, of course, I'm here, I'm almost the odd one out. We deal in air freight data, which is different than what most do here. So I get a lot of great ideas if I were to work in this particular industry, but that's just because I'm a curious person. But yeah, for me, it's the breadth of things that you see here. So it's not just one topic, but a lot of different topics. And therefore a nice mix of pharma companies, typical different type of suppliers, and therefore I think if you're an independent visitor here, there are lots of types of ideas that you can pick up and a lot of types of companies that you can speak to. So it's not one single thing for me that stands out. Although pharma is of course very much the keeping risk low type of business, so very thorough people. Most attendees here are well informed. They know what they're talking about. They've been in the industry for quite a while. So,
would you recommend this conference to your colleagues?
Colleagues from the company or similar type of.
Similar type, maybe.
Yeah, of course. No, they should stay away because. No, but I think for a conference like this to work, it's good to have the right mix of companies joining. I've been to conferences where it was too one-sided. You don't want 16 packaging companies at a pharma conference. Of course, and I think here you got a better mix. It's relatively small, but it also makes it easier to find the right people and to have longer, more meaningful conversations. So I think specializing helps. And there you need to be choosy. So what do we pick and do we have a nice mix, but also make it possible to meet? Some conferences are so large that they become almost ineffective because of size. And here I like the fact that it's relatively dedicated and small and easier to mix and mingle and actually have meaningful conversations.
It's a little bit family meeting.
Yes, yes.
It's easier to connect with the people.
Absolutely. And it's also what the organization helps support. Because I'm sitting behind the desk having one meeting with one person, and the moment this person leaves, someone introduces the next, maybe you want to talk. That makes my life a lot easier.
Will you come again next year?
Yeah, that could, depending on who will be there in the mix. But so far my impression is very good, yes.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Thank you very much.